last year, the point is you have to cultivate healthy relationships in your life. Around this time, I was feeling very frazzled.
लास्ट ईयर तो याद ही नहीं है. लास्ट ईयर क्या था ना ही बोल तो बेहतर.
What about you, Arnav? How has it been to be a fat ass for 1 year and not work out at all?
Hello.
Check is working.
Sriracha, how are you this fine Tuesday morning on the
Waggy tail.
24th of December?
Wag your tail right now.
Sriracha.
Wag it. Wag it.
Sriracha.
What's up?
We are sitting here at the end of December, 24th of December, reporting on a Tuesday where the cold has finally set in. It's a cloudy morning with a little bit of rain. That's my weather update. And that's how we begin the end of 2024 show. So, Garima, how about year in review?
Year in review. In a lot of ways, I think we haven't moved at all from last year to now.
That's not good.
But in a lot of ways, we also have moved. Like, a lot has changed.
So, what has not changed and what has changed?
What has not changed, you know very well. It is...
ना ही बोल तो बेहतर है.
What has not changed is the bhasad. What has not changed is कि भाई बहुत आगे जाना है अभी. बहुत चीजें हैं जो अभी बची हैं करनी. That is not changed. What has changed is...
The motivation levels, the energy, that's also not changed. That's as high as it was.
True.
Or you mean it's gone even higher?
No, I think it's become a lot more focused. I think, I don't know, personally for me, what I find is that last year, around this time, I was feeling very frazzled. And for me, it was, I was getting into ops also. I was getting into everything for a bit. And now I think I feel a lot more focused in terms of क्या ड्राइव करना है, किस तरीके से करना है, who has to drive it, how do they need to do it, all of that. Of course, not like सारी चीजें पता हैं और 100%
सब कुछ figured है.
वो तो नहीं, but थोड़ा focus ज़्यादा है, I think. So that is great. I also feel that I think I'm able to see थोड़ा सा long term a little better and just like think a little bit in macro rather than every single little this thing only. You have to do that also, zoom in and zoom out. But thoda wo macro level is important to push because आपका overall picture has to kind of grow in that direction. So that I think is
that has changed.
Level of clarity I have. So yeah.
That's changed, you're saying.
That has changed. हाँ मतलब it's not changed in the sense that कुछ बदला है in terms of vision or in terms of क्या करना है, but I think it's just become a little more कैसे समझाऊँ, मतलब it's like अगर जैसे ऐसे बहुत hazy सी picture थी उसमें अब थोड़ा HD आ गया है.
So perspective थोड़ा हो गया है.
मतलब the details are starting to kind of fill themselves out.
Fine tuning हो गई है.
That one. What about for you? Last year versus this year?
This year, last year तो याद ही नहीं है. Last year क्या था? This year भी barely याद है.
Last year.
Where were we this time last year? We were on our way to Goa, I think, driving down.
At this time? Really?
ऐसे ही कुछ तो था. New Year's was there, so it was post Christmas.
Yeah, true. उस time 25th was like a Thursday, Friday something, I think. ऐसा कुछ था.
So that has changed. This year we're very much in
No should
Delhi.
be at all.
Actually, last year अलग ही वो थे. I think वो भी गलत नहीं है, but I think हमारा I don't know how to say it without it sounding incorrect.
बोलना.
But पहले जैसे हमारा वो था कि 5 day, matlab 5 day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Matlab, even though we were putting in work, there wasn't an expectation that different teams were also. But because the business has grown, there is वो वाला comfort for a large number of teams is not there anymore.
I think also because वो अब हमने structure कर दिया ना उस तरीके से. पहले थोड़ा vague था.
हाँ,
which
true.
is why there was a
lack of clarity.
There was a little bit of a loophole in terms of हाँ है या नहीं है, क्या मैं एहसान कर रहे हैं हम, या
true.
is it part of the role? So I think that clarity now is there, na? That ops has to be 6 days a week, and in some cases you also have to be available on the 7th day. अगर कुछ फटे, कुछ critical हो, जो भी हो.
And then you should be able to take your time off.
Correct. Same with sales, same with support. All those rules we've kind of clarified now, which is why now that expectation setting is there. कि वो है. So that.
So that's changed.
Yeah. और फिर
Clarity. और चेंज हुआ है. चेंज नहीं हुआ तो तूने सही आइडेंटिफाई किया है.
Yeah.
The hustle, you know, the hustle. But what has changed is also, I think, a reality
अटक
on.
गए हम दोनों, हमने कॉफी नहीं पी है सुबह से ना, चाय.
Yeah, big problem.
Feeling slow.
So how about we make this a slow interview and not talk about always hustle thing, you know?
बता.
तो-
I'm yawning also to contribute.
So let's change gears and let's talk about how has this year been for you emotionally?
Emotionally.
Or is that even more tiring to talk about?
That's super tiring.
How has this year been?
Tiring.
How has this first year been for you?
First year.
Listen to what I'm saying now.
Okay.
Listen.
बताएं.
How has this first year been, full year, without you taking any external support such as therapy?
Oh, yeah, you're right. It's been a year. Oh shit. October, November last year, I stopped.
Yeah.
It's not been bad, honestly. I think it's also because, I mean, it had been 3.5 years last year when I decided to take a break. And I think it's been good. External help, matlab, obviously from not having, say, therapy, I think I made it more about being physically fit, and this year I picked that up. मतलब not के मतलब बहुत ही ऐसे crazy fit हो गई हूँ, but
That has changed.
there is
You
a level
become
of
fitter.
fitness that I think I do have now, at least pre-chikungunya. Even after that, actually,
After
yesterday I
also.
went to the gym also. Like, my muscle strength is still there. It's just that my joints hurt. Can't do much about that, but still. So that happened. I think also, what was the reason I stopped
Fitter, stronger,
also was different.
faster.
The reason I stopped was because I felt that because I had kind of discussed a lot of things that I needed to process to a certain length, it had kind of become a little bit like a crutch for me. जहाँ मतलब वो ऐसे होने लग गया था for some things that I was feeling uneasy about, whether it was related to work or family or whatever. I was choosing to talk about it only in that scheduled 1 hour with my therapist, as opposed to
Every day taking that 5-minute break, walking to Sector 31 market and discussing it there.
No, not just with you, na. मतलब also मतलब the point is you have to cultivate healthy relationships in your life.
Cultivate
With your
healthy relationships.
Partner, with your friends, with everybody.
I agree, you must.
So अगर आप
With your dog.
dog तो वापस बोल नहीं सकता ना, उसमें तो सिर्फ
But you must cultivate it. Without that, by
तो
this.
पूछ क्यों रहा है question?
Okay, sorry,
मेरे को
sorry.
सुनना नहीं है,
बोल
समझ नहीं
बोल
आ रहा।
बोल. बोल. सही बोल रही थी, अच्छा बोल रही थी.
काट मत ना फिर.
हाँ.
हाँ तो मतलब मेरा I felt that I was avoiding actively like having conversations about real stuff with the people in my life, because I felt it was just easy to talk to a stranger कि हाँ ठीक है, nobody understands, so let me just talk here because I'm anyway paying them to understand me. तो ये सही है. But I think
So you feel like you've become more real now with the people you must be real with?
Yeah, a little bit. Real in the sense that I'm actually like, I still have to force myself to do it sometimes, because it's very easy for me to just not do it for weeks on end. and then wake up and be like, oh shit, I'm craving human contact, and then I go overboard also, because then it becomes like a 3-4 day. अब इसको मिलते हैं, अब उसको मिलते हैं, अब ऐसे करते हैं, अब ऐसे
Contact.
करते हैं, और इसको करते हैं और उसको करते हैं. But yeah, तो जोक्स फनी नहीं है. ये क्यों बत्ती जली हुई है?
लाइट अच्छी आ रही है, ठीक है. It's
लाइट के लिए डाला था.
yeah,
Wow.
it's better. See,
Wow,
it was a little
production.
dark because today
Is
is a cloudy day, na? देखा?
Okay. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. What about you, Arnav? How has it been to be a fat ass for 1 year and not work out at all and lose all your healthy habits and develop
bad.
a paunch and some chubby cheeks
It's bad.
and lose your identity of being an athlete?
Seriously, it's very hard. An athlete and adventurer, वो हम yesterday we were filling in that scaling up वाला document.
Yeah.
उसमें realize all these activities, scuba, hiking, trekking, mountaineering, सारा सब कुछ हो गया है. And इतने सारे plans बनाए मैंने. Half marathon, Ironman. I did go swimming, restarted swimming. That was great.
Yeah, there was a phase in the middle. Actually, I've realized you're a copycat. The minute I start getting into a routine of working out, you suddenly become
I'm
active.
super competitive.
मेरे को चिकनगुनिया हुआ तो अर्नव भी बीमार पड़ गया, ऐसे लग रहा है.
That
कि
is
मतलब
what-
सब कुछ चल रहा है, बट मैं जाऊंगा नहीं वर्कआउट.
It is what is called emotional and physical and mental support by your partner
No, please take care
who's
of yourself.
helping you
You are
get
not
through
helping
your
me.
chikungunya.
You are not helping me at all.
What do you mean?
I just mean that you need to learn how to take control of your own habits. Not depend on me.
Yeah. Problem is you order junk food and I never order junk food. That's the reason for the fat assness.
That's why you're fat. Because you
Anyway,
don't order it.
क्या ये तो बहुत ही ज्यादा बेमतलब का बेबी बेमतलब हो गया ये.
Baby बे मतलब?
तो दिमाग आजकल उल्ट-पटांग जगहों पे जा रहा है.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. मेरा दिमाग वहाँ पे जाके होता है कि shut the fuck up.
But what was if you were to now think about 2024 highlights? I think last year also we did. By the way, this episode is.
Yeah, we did actually. हाँ, I remember now. हाँ, sorry, बता.
जान में कर लेंगे, ये वाला थोड़ा शॉर्ट है.
बता दे.
But अपनी highlight बता दे.
मेरी highlights for 2024. मेरे को obviously recent वाली चीजें ज़्यादा याद आ रही हैं, but maybe I'll go in reverse order.
Sure.
ठीक है. One is expanding outside of Delhi, so super cool. Second is hiring senior people, super cool, good experience. Third is हम offsite पे गए थे, which is also super nice.
Oh yeah.
Fourth is कि हमारी पूरी टीम चेंज हो गई है, which is I think rite of passage.
Yeah.
Then then personally for me, like I said, fitness. That was cool. Like getting back to it. And even finding like 20 minutes a day to just like do a chotu workout also just made a world of a difference in terms of just how I'm feeling again physically.
Okay, let's play a game. Jan, what is the top thing you remember? Jan 24.
Jan 24?
3,
Achha, 2024.
2, 1. Pass. Feb 2024. What do you remember?
अरे यार
3, 2,
ऐसे नहीं याद
1. Lucknow, Galati, Tunde. Whatever you remember. March 2024. Go. Jan मैं बताता हूँ. Jan was Lola.
Yeah.
Lola.
I thought you were asking about work.
Anything. Work भी हो सकता है. Work or non-work, both. March 2024. April 2024.
It's blur, bro. It's
May
blur.
2024. June 2024.
ऐसे नहीं याद मेरे को month wise.
You don't think in months.
No, the months blend together. I have no clue. I just remember like milestone things.
I see.
What about you, Arnav? Jan 2024.
ऐसे तो मैंने
Feb
तो
2024.
अब नहीं हो सकता.
March 24.
You failed at the game.
April 24.
1st April.
What?
Something.
Wow, random things you remember about the month. अमेजिंग. अपने बता दे हाइलाइट्स. मैंने तो बता दिया.
Highlights. Yeah, I think the most thrilling must be the multi-city launch. We didn't know we had it in us. Really did not. And apart from that, if I was to think,
हाँ. बताओ.
brain fogging हो रही है, fogging.
Fogging.
Yeah.
बता दे भाई. कुछ नहीं आ रहा समझ तेरे को. ये 0 मिनट वाला कुछ फ्लैश कर रहा है. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या है.
Insane amount
Hello.
of YouTube.
Watching.
I feel like I've just watched a lot of YouTube. मतलब not just. I feel like this year has been anytime I'm free with my thoughts, I've switched on YouTube.